Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about, is it easy to switch some company from maybe service based to service based, or service based to product based, or product based to product based, or product based to service based. Is it difficult? We'll discuss on the factor whether it is difficult or not. So many of you have asked this question, and I thought I should make a video on this, and so that you guys will know what are the factors on which it depends, like how you are going to switch or whether you are going to switch or not. Few weeks back I came across so many questions on that, and there were so many people who are very much experienced and they are finding it very difficult to switch, and they were asking me, how can I switch? I have these many skills but I'm not able to do this. So then I thought, like, let's make a video that people should know what are the factors. The switching of any company depends. Yes, there are some factors on which it depends. It really not only your skills, which is important, but there are other factors too, which you can't see, but I will explain in this video. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amita Singh. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and press the subscribe button, guys, because maybe while watching this video, you may forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Let's directly jump into this video. What are those factors which is important while making a switch? So the first factor, which I have already talked before as well, but most of you guys have not watched that video, I know that. And that factor is city-based switch. City? Yes, city-based. So it really depends in which city you are working in. Really? Yes. So if you haven't watched that video, I will highly recommend you to first go ahead and watch that video, because in that video I have explained it so well, like how as a tech person, in which city I should go for. There are so many factors I have covered there, like if you're going for Chennai or Delhi or Kolkata, or Pune, Hyderabad, whatever city you are taking, there are some advantages, there are some disadvantages. And one of the factors of switching is city-based. So it really matters. Suppose I'm just giving you a brief idea, because if I start explaining the same video again, it's going to take a lot of time. So I'll just give you a brief intro. If you are in a Bangalore, some of my friends were in the Bangalore, some of my friends were in the Pune, Hyderabad and Chennai. You know what? I made my first switch within a week. Within a week, I switched my company. So only city-based factor helped me in switching first? No. The second factor is technology. If you are not updated with the market technology, then it will be very much difficult for you to make any switch. There are so many people who are in Chennai and they are in contact with me. Some of the people are more than 5 years, 7 year or 8, 9 year experience, and they are struggling with the switch. So basically technology, what I'm talking about here is, well, I was working on a very, very top technology, a niche technology that time. For the past 2 years in my Cognizant, I worked on the very demanding technology, Java 8, Angular 7, Elasticsearch, database. As I worked as a data model or a data architect, I worked in different technology, which I have covered in one of my video. I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch that video. How many technology I have worked on in first 2 years. So that was the second factor which helped me to make switch earlier than the other people. Now, what is the third factor? The third factor is demand, or the company's new office setup, or some new projects are coming up in any company. So how will you get to know these kind of things are happening around? So be active on LinkedIn. You will definitely get updated whenever some company is planning to set up a new building or a new office, or they are looking for resources for a new project. So that time, if you are applying for a switch, that is the best time, because they were looking for resources in mass. You might have heard, like, from past 2 to 3 years, there are so many people got placed in Amazon. Why? Because of the new building. They are hiring in mass. If I talk about 3 to 4 years back, Amazon was hiring like a minimal resources, and their interview was that much tougher than past 2 years. If they are hiring for mass recruitment, their interview was way tougher those time than this time. Okay, don't get offended, but this is true. If some company is setting up a new office, then their interview level will be a little bit, lesser tough as compared to their usual day. Are you getting my point? So that time is very important for you to make a switch if you are planning for a switch. Now, factor number 4, job search. It really matters how you are looking for a job. What are the app you are using for job search? So my favorite choice is always Naukri and LinkedIn. So how you can search a job on LinkedIn? So I have already explained how I approached on LinkedIn while I was looking for a job. So I have already covered in one of my video the tips and trick for getting the job calls and offers from different company frequently on LinkedIn or Naukri, how you can get that. So I have already explained in detail in one of my video. I'll give you the link in the description box, how to make your job search easy. I'll give you the link. You can go ahead and watch that. Job search is really important. Now the 5th factor is from where you are switching. Are you switching from service-based to service-based? Or you are switching from service-based to product-based, product to product, product to service, like how you are switching. It really matters. Suppose you are switching from service-based to service-based. Yes, it is a bit easy. You don't have to, put your so much effort in learning about DSA and all that algorithm. If you are good in your project, if you are good in that skill, it will be quite easier for you to switch from service to service. So now while you are switching from service-based to product-based, it become a little tougher for those who are not that good in their skills. Like suppose as a software developer you are working, and so now it depends on your year of experience. Suppose if you are 1 or 2 years of experience, then you will be treated as equal to fresher only. So you are lucky that you will be treated equal to fresher if you are only 1 or 2 years of experience. So you just have to brush up your DSA skills, algorithm, basic of everything, basic of data structure and algorithm. And it really depends at what time you are trying a switch. The factor I have covered, right? Is there any requirement or mass recruitment that time you are applying for a job? Then yeah, your interview will be a little bit easier as compared to other time. Now it really depends in which city you are and for what project you are going to apply for. That really matters. Now yes, for product based you need to brush up your more of a coding skills like a DSA and all that, and that you need to start brushing up as soon as you get your offer letter in the first company, so that you can switch within 1 or 2 years. You should not wait long. Okay, now this is my suggestion for those who are planning or who have dreamed about any product based. Now the second is product to product. Product to product switching is easy. It's just like service to service you are switching. Product to product is easier. Suppose a person A is switching from product based to product based, a certain person B is switching from service based to product based, then yes, I have found that there are definitely a advantage of some person A, if he is switching, he is going for the interview, and person B, he is coming from the service based. Then if that person B he is extraordinary, he is so much talented in the skills, then yeah, he can compete with this person very easily. But if this person is like a average, doesn't want to work much, he just going for a try to that company, and this person is also average but he is coming from this company and both are equal, their interview went equal, then I have seen like product based company, they prefer product based company resource than the service based resource. But if you can compete somebody, you can definitely grasp those seats. But if you are not confident enough, you are planning just to make your dream come true, then it's not going to happen. You need to work hard to get into your dream company. So this is all about the switching process. Hope you like this video, and this is all about my personal experience base. So hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.